Ever feel like your brain is overloaded? Like no matter how much you rest, you're still tired? You're not broken. Your brain is just trying to survive in a world it wasn't built for. Picture this. You're trying to drive a horse and buggy on a freeway. That's kind of what your brain is doing every single day. Because while technology, cities, and social media have advanced at lightning speed, our brains, they're still wired for life on the savannah. Back then, life was simple, but intense. You had to hunt, forage, avoid predators, and bond with your tribe. You paid attention to what really mattered: food, shelter, safety. Now, you're processing news alerts, email threads, online drama, and push notifications constantly all day, and that evolutionary mismatch is taking a toll. Here's what your brain evolved to care about: spotting danger, staying accepted in a group, conserving energy, repeating patterns that kept you alive. Now compare that to what modern life throws at you: juggling dozens of emails and social cues, reacting to world events in real time, working under artificial light for hours, managing your digital and real-world identities, resisting addictive foods. No wonder we're overwhelmed. Today's average person consumes over 70 gigabytes of information every single day. That's more than 5 times what people dealt with just a few decades ago. Your brain is constantly trying to sort, prioritize, and respond, and it's exhausting. Cognitive fatigue shows up as brain fog, emotional reactivity, trouble focusing, even when you haven't done anything hard. It's your brain's executive function system saying, "I've had enough." So what can you do? You can't rewind evolution, but you can work with your brain instead of against it. And one of the simplest ways to reset? Nature. Even a few minutes outside calms the nervous system and restores attention. Your brain knows that place. It remembers. Another secret weapon? Routine. Set schedules, fewer choices, and small rituals reduce decision fatigue. Your brain loves predictability. Breakfast on autopilot might feel boring, but to your brain, it's relief. You've heard it before, but it matters more than ever. Get consistent sleep. Move your body. Eat real, nutrient-rich food. Take actual breaks. These aren't luxury habits. They're survival tools for a brain under siege. Some people add brain supplements or nootropics to their toolkit. They're not magic, but certain compounds may help support clarity, focus, or stress resilience, especially in high-demand situations. Think of them as a modern buffer for an ancient mind. And maybe most importantly, create quiet. Eat without a screen, walk without earbuds, give your brain time to just be. These tiny signals tell your brain, you're safe, you can relax. Over time, they build resilience, clarity, focus, the very things modern life keeps stealing. Your brain isn't outdated, it's extraordinary. It just wasn't built for endless emails and infinite scroll. But with care, intention, and a few modern supports like healthy habits and optional nootropics, you can bridge that gap.